In primetime news this evening, school fight turns deadly after a teenage girl stabs another. Prime Minister expecting improvements in crime fight and garbage collection soon. And Jamaicans among thousands in Florida picking up the pieces after the passage of killer Hurricane Ian.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Javon Keys. With a preview of what's to come in the business day, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Javon, it may cost more money to borrow from financial institutions. That's because the Bank of Jamaica has increased its policy interest rate again. And I'll tell you by how much in the business day. And with a preview of what's to come in sports, Karen Madden is here.
Thanks, Janella. Well, it took 6 years, but a titanic battle looms when the Jamaica Tallawers faced Barbados Royals in a mouth-watering CPL final on Friday.
Thanks, Karen. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, do you still follow the guidelines to protect against COVID-19? Give reasons for your answer.
Share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.